This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating easy CPU drains and giving the GPU full runway. Update your GPU driver and open the vendor control panel. Set its global profile to high performance. Then pick Windows High Performance Power Plan and disable core parking to keep cores active. Close Discord overlays, browsers, and streaming apps that choose CPU. Once done, set Valorant's process priority to high so it doesn't get preempted. This prevents CPU scheduling stalls and lets the GPU take on more work. Now you push rendering demands so the GPU becomes the limiter. In Valorant, raise render resolution or resolution scale above native if you can tolerate it. Increase textures, shadows, and effects to medium or high to add GPU load. Disable any in-game frame cap and choose the most modern, GPU-focused API available, DirectX 11 or 12, so the GPU handles more parallel work. Make sure vertical sync is off unless stuttering occurs. Higher GPU workload reduces CPU frame pacing influence and shifts bottleneck to the GPU. Finish by enabling system features and validating the change. Turn on hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling in Windows if your GPU supports it, and use MSI Afterburner or RTSS to monitor utilization. You want sustained GPU usage higher than CPU usage. That indicates the GPU is now the bottleneck. If you see stutter or frame drops, make sure background CPU tasks aren't resurfacing and consider lowering a couple settings instead of capping FPS. As a key tip, if things go wrong, check temps and drivers before altering more settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.